How to buy from Temu, Algeria. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can buy products from Temu in Algeria. So let's get into it. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll to the description below and click the link in that description. You'll find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply and save money. So once you've done that, it'll also take you to the website as well. Now once you're over here, you can sign up with your Google account. I already signed up, so I'm good to go. Then here at the top, you can see right here, we have this language button here. If you click on it, you can also change the country/regions as well. So if you click over here and click over here, and then you can select Algeria and then click on switch to Algeria. Now you're in the Algerian version of Temu. So now you have the Algerian euros over here, the currency and all the products that are available within Algeria. So it's pretty cool. So you can go ahead and select whichever product you want and then, open it up. Select the version you want, right? So let's go with the white one and then click on add to cart. Once it's added to cart, you can go ahead and click on go to cart. You can see I already have a pretty substantial discount, but then if I don't want to add any more products, I can just simply go ahead and click on the checkout button over here. And then over here, we got to go ahead and check out, saying the minimum is going to be it's going to be 10 euros. So currently I only have 2. So what I'll do is I'll just add a bunch of other ones as well. There we go. Now we got it. Now we got 2 options. Then we can click on continue to checkout. And now here we just apply and add our address and then click on continue to payment, right? As simple as that. But I actually don't know what type of address I want, nor number. This is the Algerian version. I'll just put in some random numbers. And once it's done, this is how it would look like. Then you can apply some promo codes, save even more money up top of this discount, and then you're good to go. So it's as simple as that. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, take care and goodbye.